Most hikers carry navigation, a map, a compass, a GPS app, but every year experienced hikers still get lost. Not because they don't bring navigation, it's because they actually don't know how to use it. Hi, I'm Bev from Adventure Seeking. Today we're talking about one of the most misunderstood items in the entire 10 Essentials list, navigation, and why carrying it is not the same thing as knowing how to use it. If you've been following this series, you've probably heard me talk about something I call the lie about the 10 Essentials. The lie isn't that the gear doesn't matter. It absolutely does. The lie is that carrying it makes you prepared. Navigation is the perfect example, because a map and a compass are only powerful if you know how to utilize them. So let's talk about what navigation actually means out on the trail. There are really three types of navigation that hikers use today. Most people only understand one of them. First, digital navigation. That's your phone apps. Things like Gaia GPS, Onyx, or AllTrails. These are incredible tools. I use them, but they rely on something very fragile, your battery. Cold weather, a long day, or just forgetting to charge your phone, and suddenly your navigation disappears. Second, traditional navigation. That's the classic map and compass. No batteries, extremely reliable, but it does require practice. A map and compass are tools, and like any other tool, they only work if you know how to use them. But there's a third type of navigation that most hikers overlook: terrain awareness. That means understanding the landscape itself, knowing where the ridges are, where the valleys turn, where water flows, recognizing the shape of the land around you. The best navigators don't rely on just one method. They combine all three. Now, here's the interesting part. Most hikers don't get lost because they don't have navigation. They get lost because they stop paying attention to their navigation. Here's what usually happens. You start the hike on a clear trail. Everything looks obvious. You stop checking your map. You stop noticing landmarks. You stop thinking about where you are. Then the trail fades or splits or snow covers it. You miss a trail sign, and suddenly nothing looks familiar. Good navigation isn't something you do after you're lost. It's something you do the entire time you're hiking. Here's the skill most nobody practices: position awareness. At any moment during your hike, you should be able to answer one simple question. Where am I? Not just, I'm on a trail, but where on the trail? Between which landmarks? Near what elevation? Close to what water source? If your GPS suddenly died, could you point to your exact location on the map? That's real navigation. Good navigation actually isn't complicated. It's just a few small habits. Check your map on the trail at junctions. Notice major landmarks. Pay attention to elevation changes. And every once in a while, stop and ask yourself, if I had to hike out right now, could I? Because the goal of navigation isn't just finding the trail. It's making sure that you can always get home. Navigation is one of the most powerful tools in the entire 10 Essentials list. But only if you actually practice it. Because I'm worried about this myself. I'm signing up for a 2-hour in-store map and compass workshop with REI for only $30. You can sign up too by going to rei.com going to more, and classes and events. Then under Activity, select Outdoor Skills. In the next video in this series, we're going to talk about another essential hikers misunderstand all the time: illumination. Because bringing a headlamp and knowing how to avoid getting stuck in the dark are two very different things. If you're enjoying this series, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you know when the next video drops. We're breaking down all of the 10 essentials and how they actually work in the real world. And if you've ever gotten turned around on the trail, tell me about it. Leave it in the comments below. It happens to all the best hikers. Thanks for watching. And as always, see you on the trail.